Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike Elike here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Tips. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can get 5,000 Naira daily taking surveys online. So let's get started guys. So guys, this is the platform we're going to be using to make our money online. So as you can see here, I have 275 Naira on my wallet and also 15 Naira reward. Guys, I just opened this app today and I've already started making some money. So as you can see here, take survey, shop airtimes, and they have a lot of points for it. But let me quickly claim this my reward so that you can see that it's working before I show you the step-by-step process on how to open a new account and also make that amount of money every day. So let me quickly claim it. Okay, all right, so I can let me put in my bank details first. Okay, UBA account number. Okay, then amount, let's say I have 275, so I'll go with 200 Naira. Let me see if there's a minimum. Okay, so proceed. Okay, my pin. All right, so as you can see here, it said awesome, your transaction was successful, return to dashboard. Okay, and now the money has been deducted already. So guys, I've already withdrawn that money. I see it here, the credit alert has appeared right here. So as you can see, the money actually entered my account, my bank account. So now let's open a new tab and let's start with the process. So what you're going to do is to click the link, copy the link on the description box below. Then once you copy it, right, you just paste it on your dashboard. Okay, let me quickly log out, sorry, so that I can show you how to go about that. So once you click on the link, you can choose to log in with your email. So let me just use another email. Okay, referral code. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the referral code in the description below so that you can copy it and use it to register. All right, so this is the referral code right here. The link you copied, it has the referral code at the back, so the last digits which started from that equals to. So just click on next and you fill in your details. Okay, so after filling in your details, you'll be asked to create your password. All right, so I have to create a print for transaction. Let me just click on 112233, submit. Okay, kindly provide the 6-digit verification code we sent to your email. All right, so let me check my email. So my OTP is 61, copy, 619395. Six one 9395. Verify account. So guys, we're here. All right, so the first action you take is to, as you can see here, take a survey. So you click on take a survey, then profile setup, you take the survey. It's a 12 minutes question, so take a survey. All right, it says how good are you with technology? Okay, yes. What you need to do is to drag this stuff left and right, just drag it. So let's say 7 with technology. How often do you use social media as Facebook? 7 also. Male, I'm single. Next, date of birth, let's just go with anything. Sets. All right, Igbo and English. I'm a Christian. Okay,
self-employed. Well, I guess I'll say it's education. I educate people, I'm registered to vote, so yes. So guys, you just click on this your survey, just I don't carry last. So as you can see here, congratulations, you've just earned 2.4 thousand points. So earn more rewards. Okay, let's go to home first. As you can see right here, I have been rewarded 33.33 naira. So I'm rewarded, and there are still more tasks to do, guys. If you sit here, you can get 20k points if you buy airtimes and pay bills. If you transfer funds from your Lumi to your bank account, you get 90,000 points. If you shop on Lumi, you get 10,000 points. And guys, all these points increases they increase your earnings, guys. And even if you invite friends, you get 3,750 points by each friend you invite. So guys, this is how you can actually earn your 5,000 naira every day with Lumi. Just keep on taking surveys, making transaction on this platform, and your points keeps increasing, and it will be converted to naira automatically. And guys, you're going to earn your money.
So guys, I've shown you how you can make more than 5,000 naira every day by just completing surveys, guys. And the surveys are just very simple, like maximum of, let's say, 10 minutes, and you're done with each survey and you get paid, guys. So just keep on taking surveys. And if you don't want to take surveys, you can buy airtime on the platform, buy airtime, transfer money, pay bills, shop, and your points keep increasing, guys. Just keep on doing this. And you can also earn, like I said, you have to also use my referral link, guys, so that I can also earn, like I'm telling you guys. So just use the referral link so I can also earn from inviting friends, guys. And this is how you can earn from this Lumi app by taking surveys and doing some other tasks there. So guys, if you have any question for me, kindly leave it in the comment section below where I go answer you. All right, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new on my channel, like I said, you're welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon so that you get updated whenever I make new videos, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.